Good morning, students of class 10th. We are continuing exercise 30.2. Volume of combined figure. ये हमारी एक्सरसाइज है। आज की क्लास में हम लोग वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए सॉलिड इज इन द शेप ऑफ कोन स्टैंडिंग ऑन ए हेमिस्फीयर विद बोथ देयर रेडियाई बीइंग इक्वल टू 1 cm and the height of cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume. Suppose that it is hemisphere and it is a cone OAB and the radius is 1 cm and height of cone is also 1 cm and we have to calculate the volume. Therefore volume of solid is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, that is 1 by 3 by r square h plus 2 by 3 by r cube, that is 1 by 3 by 2 by 3 by cm cube unit. ऐड कर देंगे तो 3 by 3 by and this will be cancelled and by cm cube. इसीलिए होगा ये आपका पहला क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सेकेंड इज second question is a Russian and engineering student was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of model is 3 cm and the height, its length is 12 cm. And if each cone has height of 2 cm, find the volume of the air containing the model that result made according to question. Figure is like this. It is a cylinder having radius 3 cm and attached two cones like this. The height of cone is 2 cm, and diameter is 3 cm. This is 3 cm and the total height is 12 cm. Model, so 2 and 2, the height of cylindrical part is 8 cm. Height of cylindrical part is 12 minus 2 into 2, that is 12 minus 4 cm, that is 8 cm. Therefore, volume of air containing model is pi r square h plus 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square into h cm2. So that is pi into 9 by 4 into 8 plus 2 by 3 pi and plus 3 3s are 9, 3 pi cm cube, that is 21 cm, 21 pi cm cube, 21 into 22 by 7, 7 3s are, that is 66 cm cube. That is your answer. 66 cm cube of volume of air containing Russell's model. जो मॉडल बनाया उसमें कितनी एयर होगी जितना इस मॉडल का वॉल्यूम है, और इस मॉडल का वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट कितना हुआ 66 cm cube. Therefore volume of air is also equal to 66 cm cube, and the answer of your second question is complete. Now the third question. Third question is the gulab jamun containing sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find the approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamun, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispheres with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. According to question, gulab jamun shape is like this, hemisphere. Total height is 5 cm, diameter is 2.8, therefore radius is 1.4, here is 1.4 also, therefore cylindrical part is length of cylindrical part is 5 minus 2.8 cm, that is 2.2 cm. Therefore volume of 45 gulab jamuns is 45 into volume of 1 gulab jamun, that is pi r square h into 2.2 plus 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. After calculation you will get 45 into 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into 2.2 plus 2 to the 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1.4 cm cube. 45 into 7 to the 4.4 into and 3.02 plus 7 to the and 88 by 3 into 0.2 into 1.96 cm cube. 45 into and 3.08 multiplied by 4.54 25531, that is 13.55 plus 2 8 16, 1 point by 3 into 1.96, and you will get 45 into plus 17.6 into 1.96, 3 पॉइंट पर डेसिमल बाई 3 भी डिवाइड कर दीजिए 1.12 11.49 approximate value. Therefore volume is 45 multiplied by add 9 5 14 carry 1 4 5 9 1 10 carry 1 3 1 4 1 5 and 1 1 2 1 1 cm2 multiply after लो 45 multiplied by 25.04 into 45 11 to 6.8 cm to approximate volume of the gulab jamun. Therefore volume of sugar या volume of syrup equal to 11 to 6.8 into 30 upon 100 कैंसिल होगा 11 2.68 into 3 by 3 about cm2 338.04 अप्रोक्सीमेट कैलकुलेशन। तो इस तरह का ये है, आप कैलकुलेशन को एक बार चेक कर लीजिए। मेथड क्या है, मैंने निकाला एक गुलाब जामुन का वॉल्यूम है वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट प्लस 2 इंटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 हेमिस्फीयर। जितना आता है उसमें 45 का मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो जितने 45 गुलाब जामुन है सबका वॉल्यूम मिलेगा। वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करने के बाद वॉल्यूम का 30% सिरप है तो जो भी कैलकुलेशन आता है उसका 30% आप कैलकुलेट कर लो तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिरप आपको मिल जाएगा। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 3 मैंने कैलकुलेट किया। आज की क्लास में बस इतना ही। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास एंड आई होप दैट यू विल ट्राई टू प्रिपेयर योर क्वेश्चंस। बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू।